guys, taking a look here at this 4x4 Boar's Chariot, 45 plus kilometers per hour. Oh, 112 scale. Let's see what comes inside the box. As you see, this is a big car. 14 years old, that's including me. Nice. It has independent shock absorbers, pretty big. Look at that. Alright, so here we are with everything that came in the box with this awesome car. This is the cover for the battery. And this is the battery right here. This is the charger for it, which I'm going to charge here now. You got a screwdriver, some extra parts here. Rack and pinions. You got tool here, parts here, and the manual right here. Pretty detailed, a lot of pages. It has images on what to do. In order to bind it, you have to turn on the car first, then you have to press the bind button and then turn it on at the same time. That way it'll bind the remote with the car. And it takes 3 AA batteries. I'll tell you how to work this out. Just go ahead and turn the car on first. Then, if it's the first time, press the bind button and then turn it on. That way it'll bind with it. So there you go. The car is pretty fast. I'm going to try to follow it, I guess, to give you an idea how fast it goes. It was hard to capture how fast it was going, so I went ahead and put the camera on top of the car, the RC car. Battery time is pretty good. It's about 40 to 45 minutes. I was using it first, then my son was using it, same battery, and it seems like a long time. Charging time is about, what, 200 minutes? I usually leave it charging and use it next day. It's pretty steady. I like the suspension. It's not like other cars that will flip. This one drives good on pavement and also off-road. It's pretty strong, very strong. So hopefully, I hope that this was helpful. Can you subscribe to my channel? Can you help me out? Can you also press that helpful button under this review? That way I know somebody watched the video in Amazon. Gladly appreciate it. It's a pretty awesome car. Very, very nice, strong. Strong built, no problems at all. Been driving it for a while now. Thank you for watching.